Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about life processes. So what is life processes? Living things can be identified because they have certain characteristics. They all carry out the same life processes, although they do not all do these in exactly the same way. Like a cat moves very quickly when it chases a mouse. So, all living things have 7 characteristics or life processes. I will discuss one by one. So, let's start. Animals feed to produce energy and to grow. They eat other living things. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis. And the second, animals only grow until they reach a certain height. Plants, however, grow continuously throughout their lives. And the third, all living things produced waste such as carbon dioxide and water. The removal of waste from the body is called excretion. And the fourth is animals move by using their legs, wings or fins. Plants move by growing towards or away from something. And the fifth is animals use sense organs such as eyes and ears to respond to what is going on around them. Plants do not have sense organs but can still react by growing towards things such as light and water. And the sixth is all living things must reproduce to replace those that die. And the seventh is living things need energy to grow, to move, and to enable the body to work properly. Energy is released from food in a process called respiration. I hope so you understood the simple concept about life processes. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.